Opening the product. Main body unit. Open the box of the main body unit. Take out the inner cushioning box and then take out the main body unit located underneath. Peel off the protective plastic film. Open the cover of the main body unit, peel off the white protective plastic cover, and check the inner components. Make sure that all the components are enclosed inside the main body unit. Opening the product. Diaper cup. Open the box of the diaper cup. Take out the inner cushioning box and the motion control wrap located underneath. After that, remove the cushioning box of the diaper cup and take the unit out. Make sure that the components are enclosed in the box of the diaper cup. Opening the product. Gender module. After checking the gender mark on the outside of the box, open the gender module box. Make sure that all the components are enclosed in the gender module box. Opening the product. Consumables. Make sure that all the components are enclosed in the consumables box.